After installing new seals on the low and reverse clutch piston, Jamie installs it into the transmission case. It's the first part that gets installed. And looking up from the bottom of the case provides a unique perspective. He follows that with our 5-pinion rear planetary upgrade. Then installs clutches and steels. Now the steels get locked into the case by the tabs. And he alternates the steels with the friction discs or clutches. Then he just keeps on stacking parts, building up the transmission layer by layer by adding things like the sun gear and our upgraded sunshell. And just like when building an engine and using assembly lube, well, transmissions get the same treatment. This is automatic transmission assembly lube. And what it does is prevent metal-to-metal contact on first startup before the oil pump has a chance to circulate fluid. Then he installs the front 5-pinion planetary upgrade. After that, the output shaft gets installed from the bottom of the case up. This takes a little persuasion. Next, he loads the input shaft and drum assembly with more new clutches and steels. But before he installs the assembly, he does a little pressure check. And he's using compressed air to do what fluid would normally do under normal operating conditions. And that way he can verify that there's no damaged seals or anything and all the circuits are working correctly before he installs it. He also performs a vacuum test on the valve body to verify that individual circuits in the valve body are working correctly. And after sealing the plate to the valve body, he simply turns the pump on and checks to see how much vacuum it will hold. And 12 inches of vacuum he just wasn't happy with. So after a quick repair, he does a retest. This time, it's spot on. And with all that done, he can install a new wiring harness, the valve body, the pan, and start buttoning this thing up because he's coming down the home stretch. Now the guys at Coleman Taylor were great to work with. We all got to see what was involved in a transmission overhaul, and they got a little insight into the sometimes slow and tedious world of TV production. And I'm thinking Jamie's glad we're not there every day to slow down his progress.
That's it, Phil.